generating QR code with any of the links is pretty easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate QR codes with any links. So for that, we will go to our Google Chrome browser. And in our browser, what do we have to type? We have to type QR code generator. So I'm just going to search for that. And then you have to go to this first website, which is www.qrcodegenerator.com. I'm just going to click on this website and it will take me to this website. This is how it will look. So what you have to do is you have to click on URL over here, and then you have to paste whatever the URL you want to convert to QR code. In my case, I have already copied the QR code of my Facebook account. So I'm just going to paste the URL of my Facebook account, and what it will do, it just generated a QR code from my Facebook account. If I click on this download JPG, it will ask me to sign up. So I'm just going to quickly sign up with my Google. After creating an account on this website, what you have to do is you have to click on create QR code. I'm just going to click on that, and then you have to select whatever the type of link you have. I'm just going to click on Facebook. I'm just going to click on next. And now what I have to do is I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to add the URL over here of my Facebook account. I'm going to click on next, and it just generated a QR code from my Facebook account. You can download it by simply click on download button. It will be downloaded in your computer. You can share it with your friends. So that's pretty much it. That's how I do it. Hope you find this video helpful.